Thanks, Martin. Let's go ahead and transition over to our forecast. It's been a dry day today. We did see a few flurries this morning, but we're finally drying out across our viewing area. And we're still cold, though. If we look at our satellite and radar, you can see not really a cloud in the sky across our viewing area. It's been plenty of sun today. That hasn't helped us warm up. But you pull this out and you look nationally, there's not really a lot going on across the nation in regards to weather. We do have a few clouds across the Rockies and towards the southern plains. If you push off to the west, you can see a system developing off the Pacific there, pushing into states like Washington, Oregon, some rain and snow showers pushing in over there. I do want to show that, though, because it is coming close to Christmas, so you may be traveling. Not a lot going on nationally, and that's a good thing. Remember, Thanksgiving travels, we saw a lot of storm systems working their way across the nation, but we're staying relatively calm across the United States. But here, we're staying cold over the past several days. Temperatures getting right around the mid-30s. This has been a very cold day. We started out with temperatures in the teens to start, so you definitely need to bundle up if you were heading out. Now, we are seeing a change in our winds, though. Our winds have been pretty strong out of the northwest lately. That has been bringing in that colder air, but as we go overnight tonight, we're already seeing those winds are starting to transition to more of a westerly flow, and they're calming down as well. So that will allow us to not cool down as much tonight, but we'll still be on the cooler side. Temperatures tonight will drop into the 20s. We're already seeing temperatures in the lower 30s. If you head towards Bluefield, Virginia, look at that. You're already at 28 degrees, 25 in Burt's Garden. If you're heading out to the movie tonight, the big movie, Star Wars movie, it's going to be a chilly night, so make sure you bundle up as you're heading out. Temperatures will be around freezing as movies start, but then as we go overnight tonight, maybe around 11 o'clock, you're heading out of the movie theater, we're already in the 20s. So make sure you grab that jacket to bundle up before you head out. As we look at your futurecast, though, the rest of the night, like I said, it's going to be chilly, but we will stay dry. We won't see those flurries like we've seen over the past couple of nights. Temperatures will actually drop down to the upper 20s. Not as cold as we were tonight. Temperatures won't be around the teens. We also won't see those colder wind chills either with the winds calming down. It'll be kind of a relatively chilly night, like I said, but we won't be as cold as what we've been. Overnight tonight, the force will be strong, but it'll also be cold. Temperatures will be right around the 20s, clear and chilly. But let's look at our weather headlines. We've got a dry stretch of weather on the way, and we're also going to be warming up as well, becoming mild as we go into the weekend. Well, let's go ahead and take a look at your Christmas forecast as well. Waking up tomorrow morning, a chilly morning, temperatures in the upper 20s. Tomorrow afternoon, though, heading out, temperatures actually about 10 degrees warmer than today in the upper 40s to lower 50s. And then overnight tomorrow night, look, temperatures actually only drop into the lower 30s. We'll see some cloud cover build in, but look at your Saturday. Temperatures once again getting into the upper 40s to lower 50s. We will have to battle the clouds, however. Friday, sunny and dry, a few clouds late, but as we're going into Christmas, warmer air begins to push in. We've got the palm trees there. It's going to be a very warm Christmas this year. Also a dry Christmas as well. For any of you snow lovers and wanting to see some white Christmas, you won't see that this year, but we do see the winter solstice is going to be starting as we go into Saturday, December 21st. That night we'll see winter transition over, and we actually warm up as we go into the winter season. Temperatures as we go through next week getting into the 50s, guys. A very cold stretch for weather here. The warm stretch, excuse me.
Now, I've got to ask you real quick. Now, winter solstice, doesn't that mean it's the longest night of the year?
It'll actually be, it'll be one of the shortest days where we have the shortest daylight on Saturday, and then we'll start to get our days longer again as we go past the winter solstice.
That's a positive.
Yeah.
That's a positive.
Days get longer.